In this video, I will demonstrate how to change the tipping options in Shopify checkout. By default, when tipping is enabled, the presets are set as 10%, 15, and 20, but you can easily change it to something custom. For that, just log into Shopify admin account and go to settings, then locate checkout, then scroll a bit down till you find the tipping section right here. Now just go ahead and change the tipping values. So let's say we set the first option is 5%, the second one 10%, and the other one's going to be 15%. Now let's save changes. Allow a few minutes for the changes to update on the system, then refresh the checkout, and the percentages should be different. Yeah, right here. Alternatively, if you wish to remove the presets and just leave the custom tipping option, all you have to do is just remove all the presets, save changes, and once again, refresh the checkout. And as you can see, the customers are now presented with the custom tip field. So now they'll be able to just select how much they would like to tip with their order. So that's all for this video. I hope you found it helpful. And for more Shopify tutorials, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.